DIY tutorial, a little bit easier for me. So today we are Limpopo, or rather in this video. So we are all the provincial legislature. Is it the legislature? Yes. Let's see what the legislature, and we're also gonna go to the office of the premier. So office of the legislature, Marakokai. Start at the top of the website. Not interested. I'm looking for a job. There we go. Careers and tenders. So on opportunities. So let's go to the careers. Let's finish legislature before we go to the provincial government. So here's an advert. Here's the second one. So this one is so as you can see, they regularly post and open the application. So if you're looking for opportunity, here's a website. Visit Limpopo legislature as part of your catalog of places or platforms to visit. Now we're done with them. The good thing is that they are also giving you quite a few things that you need to be aware of. The advertisement, the job post and the advertisement, the application, the screening, the interview process will either be telephonic, virtual, or face-to-face to assess skills and suitability. Additional tests may be conducted if necessary. Have you ever been to a place or to a shortlisting or to an HR agency, a recruitment agency, and they said, we need to do a test, we need to do an assessment, we need to score you? This is the assessment test, I believe so. It either related, maybe not related, but this could be one of those assessment tests. So it's not necessarily to say that you are qualified, they give you a certificate, but it is a scoring for them to know how is your competency skills right now. The next, they have a selection and appointment. Alright, okay, so this is their website, Limpopo legislature. So we're done. Let's go to the next office of the premier, Dr. Poppy Ramatuba. Whoa, the first female premier. Yes, was Limpopo. So you know, another made it easier. It's right here at the top in the main menu, or the main, I don't know what this is called, but this is the main thing here with the tabs. So you just hover your mouse. I'm not clicking, just hovering. Float, and then drop down menu comes out. With the drop down menu, click job career opportunities. You're looking for internship. Here's internship, bursaries and scholarships. So tenders and business opportunities, here's where you will go and visit if you're looking for tendering opportunities. So this is where we're going. Jobs and career opportunities. We want to see. And wow, look at that. They already have vacancies. Right? Remember, this video is shot in November 2025. So when you're watching this, it's not, in the future. Keep that in mind. But the website should still be the same when you visit Limpopo. Here's vacancies that are already open. So here's a circular. So it's very clickable. So let's say you're using your phone. When you're using your phone, the hovering, phones don't have mouse. So you literally have to click on that. It will give you the drop down menu, and then you click jobs and career opportunities. So here's circular 35, circular 286. Oh, they're from different provinces, different departments within the province. So Limpopo Department of Education, Limpopo Department of Public Work, Roads and Infrastructure. This one is already Limpopo Department of Health. So this vacancy circular is already closed. So these two circulars, we should expect the letterhead to be different. So it is the Limpopo Department of Public Works, Roads and Infrastructure, and the next one should be the Department of Education. So let's see the closing date if there's a match. I don't want the closing date. This needs to be done 11. And then this one, Remember, this is in November. So me, I'm looking at this currently. So I want to see whether they matched. Alright. Okay. Now the other things, the requirements you need to deal with. The requirements for you, remember the previous video where I discussed the new Z83. If you haven't, I'm sure that you can see my channel name, and then you can just click there, go to my videos. There's a playlist where I have set up all of these. So the new Z83 explanation video is also there. So what I will do is just to briefly go through it. For the new Z83, make sure you complete all parts. Make sure you put your initials. Make sure you sign. And there's also a section where they ask you to consent. So make sure you go through every single section. Now, section E, F, G, you just write CCV. Refer to CV attached. See, very simple. And how are applications submitted via the e-recruitment website or hand delivered to the department via private bag, which I assume that it is attended to. It is not the post office PO box. It is a private bag, and then we have hand delivered to their offices. Here, Picard Mopolokwane Records Management Directorate. Application must be submitted to the education districts. So they have two sets of instructions here. The first instruction is you can submit in the website, but now the other part they also is telling you, look, there's a circuit and district posts that are advertised. They must be submitted via the education districts on Annexure B. So let's see where these annexures. Come on. There we go, Annexure B. So annexures are usually placed as the last section. The last section is everything. So Limpopo Education, she will now post the currently, and then in here about submit applications are to be forwarded to the head office, the Department of Public Works. So you can send them the one private bag. Excuse me, water break. And also hand delivered to the offices in Church Street, Polokwane. Now, there's a second part to this as well. See, they're saying that district posts should be directed to the attention of district directors using the addresses below. So, while reading is important, you need to go thoroughly through these applications when you're applying. So there's a Capricorn District, Mopane, Sekhukhune, Vhembe, and Waterberg. These are the 5 districts that make up the Limpopo province, since we are looking for a job in Limpopo. So these are the 5 districts, Capricorn being the one in the middle, where everyone, Polokwane is the center. So the head office as well being in Polokwane. So this, guys, so when you have time, visit this website by Yes Media, or Google, I'm sure that's as the provincial, what do I type? I type provincial government South Africa. Yeah, I typed provincial government South Africa, and then gave me this provincial government.co.za, and then this is how you can find the websites for these provinces that I visited. Like in today's video, the Limpopo government, provincial legislature, and office of the premier. You can go through the other departments as well as public entities. You can do that on your own as an activity towards searching for employment and ultimately securing a job for yourself. Otherwise, Mr. Kove, thank you. More video. Sharp.